Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, your tow hitch receiver with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, and front with gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated mirrors, side view camera. We got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system with cup holders, tons of door space. We got rear vents, cup holders, 2 USB-Cs, and a 120 volt outlet. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, upgraded B&O sound system, tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 11 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, with your volume, voice, cruise control, digital speedometer. We do get your driving assist, my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select with tons of storage. It is collapsible. Your normal cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets. Got your center console here that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, meal, laptop, paperwork, whatever you like. More storage below. We got your drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash with our lovely features for our rear window opener. Our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, your auto stop auto start, hazard traction, 360 view of the vehicle, where you do get different options to look at different views. You got your audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, navigation, search recent saved, zoom in or out, have your audio open at the same time, or you can have different widgets, totally up to you. Fave apps such as messaging, email, any app to me download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB05477, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.